Hello everyone, welcome back to Machines Visit. Let me start with something surprising. Europe produces around 12.3 billion pounds of plums every single year. Sound impressive, right? But here's the real question. What actually happens behind that number? Because the journey of this fruit isn't as simple as it looks. Today, we're going beyond the orchard postcard image. From lush plum groves overflowing with deep purple fruit and that unmistakable sweet aroma, to the intense harvesting operations, and finally to high-tech factories where those fresh plums become the dried snacks many people love. And trust me, there's more happening in this industry than most consumers ever realize. So stay with me. This story might change how you look at a simple plum. Let's dive in. Machine harvesting. Plum trees usually need about 3 to 5 years before they begin producing fruit, depending on the variety. When late summer or early autumn arrives, orchards suddenly transform, branches heavy with colorful, fragrant fruit ready for harvest. But here's where modern agriculture quietly reshaped tradition. Large farms now rely heavily on specialized harvesting machinery. And while this boosts efficiency, it has also sparked debate about labor, sustainability, and the future of farming jobs. One key machine is the fruit tree combine harvester. It moves slowly along orchard rows using flexible mechanical arms fitted with soft rotating brushes. These gently coax ripe plums off branches while an automatic catching system unfolds below the tree, preventing fruit from hitting the ground. Once collected, conveyor belts transport the plums through preliminary cleaning. Soft brushes remove dirt, while air blowers clear remaining debris. It's fast, efficient, and undeniably impressive. But some farmers quietly admit something. Speed sometimes comes at the cost of traditional craftsmanship. That tension is shaping the future of fruit farming. Another widely used method involves tree shakers. These machines clamp around the trunk and generate control vibrations calibrated to release only ripe fruit. Beneath the tree, large cushion-catching frames absorb the falling plums, minimizing bruising. From there, suction systems move fruit onto conveyors for cleaning before storage. It sounds seamless, almost surgical. Yet critics argue the heavy reliance on automation could gradually reshape rural economies. That's a conversation still unfolding. There's also the inverted umbrella shaker design, especially useful for wide canopy orchards or uneven terrain. The umbrella-like structure catches fruit efficiently, guiding it directly into built-in conveyors. With these technologies, massive orchards that once required weeks of labor can now be harvested in just days. Efficiency has never been higher, but neither has the conversation about what modernization really means for agriculture. Beyond productivity, many manufacturers emphasize sustainability. Modern machines are designed to reduce energy use, minimize waste, and lessen environmental impact. Whether that promise fully holds up is still something researchers continue to evaluate. Hand harvesting. Despite all the automation, hand harvesting hasn't disappeared. And in some cases, it's still preferred. Why? Because human judgment is incredibly precise. Farmers visually inspect each plum, choosing only perfectly ripe fruit. Underripe or damaged ones are filtered out immediately. This early selection often improves final product quality significantly. There's also a gentleness machines can't fully replicate. Skilled hands detach fruit carefully, protecting both the plum and the tree. Branches remain intact, leaves undisturbed, ensuring healthier yields next season. This method is especially important in hilly regions or smaller orchards where machinery simply can't operate effectively. For many growers, hand harvesting isn't just work, it's heritage, a craft passed down through generations. And some argue it preserves something technology cannot, the human connection to food production. Processing, from fresh plum to dried fruit. Now comes the transformation stage, where fresh plums begin their journey toward becoming dried products. Once delivered from orchards, they enter automated washing systems. High-pressure water jets and soft brushes remove dirt and impurities, preparing them for sorting. Damaged or substandard fruit is removed immediately. Only plums with ideal ripeness and size move forward. Then comes the most critical step, drying. Plums are spread on large trays and placed in industrial drying ovens. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled over roughly 18 to 24 hours. This gradual dehydration, preserves flavor while creating that soft, chewy texture many people enjoy. Here's a little-known detail. After drying, the plums often undergo a second wash. Natural sugars can surface during dehydration, and this extra cleaning ensures a smooth appearance and balanced texture. Advanced sensors, along with human inspectors, then check color, size, and uniformity before packaging. Finally, vacuum seal bags or airtight containers lock in freshness, ensuring long shelf life and convenience for consumers worldwide. From orchard to snack aisle, it's a surprisingly complex journey. Planting, care, and bloom season. Of course, none of this happens without careful cultivation. Pruning during late winter is essential. It shapes the tree, improves sunlight exposure, and helps channel energy toward fruit production. Then early spring arrives, and plum orchards explode into bloom. White and pale pink blossoms stretch across landscapes, creating scenes that look almost unreal. This phase has even sparked agricultural tourism. Many farms now host blossom festivals, inviting visitors to walk through flowering orchards, experience local culture, and connect with farming life. It's not just beautiful. It also highlights how agriculture blends economics, ecology, and community identity. Conclusion. So today we followed the plum's full journey. From delicate blossoms to carefully managed orchards, through mechanized harvesting debates, into high-tech processing facilities, and finally onto your table. It's a story of innovation, tradition, efficiency, and sometimes quiet controversy. Next time you see a dried plum, remember, behind that small fruit is an entire world of agriculture, technology, and human effort. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. If you found this interesting or surprising, drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with Agriculture Insight for more stories from the hidden side of farming. See you in the next video.